Hey guys, what is up? It's TechyWiki here, back with another video. So this is like the 5th episode, I think. If you've been enjoying the series, please make sure to subscribe. In this episode, we're going to be like doing embeds. So basically, what you want to do, add client.command async def embed ctx. So what you want to do now, you want to do embed equals discord. This embed equals discord. I cannot spell. Discord dot embed. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to tab and then color equals discord dot capital C color, and spelled COLOUR because maybe the like developer of the Discord module is in like Canada or something. And then you do whatever color. There's multiple colors, but I'm just gonna choose gold. And put the brackets, put the parentheses, and then after this, you do embed dot add underscore field name equals lorem ipsum, and then value equals okay. So now what you want to do to actually send the embed, what you want to do, await ctx dot send embed equals embed. Okay, actually after the value, you want to add something. You want to add a comma, inline equals true. If it's inline equals false, then it's just like, you can have it either way. It doesn't really matter unless like you like it. Okay. What? Okay, so run it. Okay, ball is online. Okay, so dot embed. See, even though there was some like error, the embed still worked. So that's all I want. You can also do this with your help command. And also, so like, just copy this, paste that. You can do whatever color, teal. Okay, like embed add field dot hello. And then just copy this. Don't know why there's a 2 there. Dot ping latency of the bot, and then we added another one. So dot embed okay, so we have that. So save it, run it. Dot help. So it shows it here. It also DMs it to you, but it's coming multiple times, which is odd. Okay, so And then if you do inline equals false, the false and the true has to be capital. Make sure. Okay, save that and run it. And yeah, if the just like sends multiple messages at once, just like restart your computer. Okay, so dot help. Okay. So like if you want to make it like where there's like an outline around it, I guess, put like the thing on the top left of your keyboard, whatever that is. And then you can also switch around the name and the value. Yeah, so if you can change this to value, name, name. Okay, now it works. Okay, on dot help. Yeah, so you can do that. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more discord.py. And yeah, see you in the next video.